Yes, good morning children. Welcome back to our science class. Yes. Okay children, now you can tell me what have we learned so far about water? What we learned till yesterday about water? Yes. We have learned that we need water for our daily needs like drinking, washing the clothes and for cooking. Yes, for our regular needs, if we want to survive regularly in our daily life needs, we need water for everything, right? And and we have learned about the different types of water sources like groundwater sources and surface water sources. And finally, we have learned that when the water is reaches to our home, it needs to be cleaned before we are going to use the water. It needs to be cleaned. Yes. Okay, children. That is the topic till yesterday we discussed that, and today we are going to discuss that topic. People who struggle to get water. Okay, and today's our topic is also that only water to all. Yes. By the essay topic only, we know that every living thing needs water to survive their daily life regularly. Yes. Okay, children. Now you can tell me. Do you think that everyone has enough water for their daily needs? I'm not asking about the other countries. I'm talking about our country. In India only, do you think that everyone has enough water for their daily needs? Yes. And do you think that everyone needs water for their daily needs like washing, cooking, for their daily purposes they need water? Yes, everyone needs water. Yes, everyone needs water. Then, okay, for example, you can take in India only, you can take some for example Rajasthan. Already we know about the climate of the Rajasthan and how the people are struggling to get the water. Yes, how the people are struggling to get the water. In Rajasthan, the most of the people were living in the villages only. They lived in the villages only, and they are struggling more to get the water because in the Rajasthan they do not have enough water sources. They do not have any ground water sources and they do not have any surface water sources, or they do not have clean water for their daily needs also, and they do not have enough money to buy the water. Yes, if there is no water sources means we have to buy the water, right? So we can say that in the Rajasthan, the people are villaging in the Rajasthan, they do not have money to buy the water also even. Yes, and already we know that in the Rajasthan the climate is very hot, so we can say that they may not get enough rain also. Yes, they may not get enough rain also, and in the who are living in the villages, and it is very expensive to bringing water from the rivers, from the not from the rivers. Actually, we know that they do not have a surface water sources. Yes, and bringing water to home is very expensive also. And bringing water to home is very expensive. And before that, the water needs to be treated and cleaned. Already we know that. Yes, before that only the water need to be cleaned and treated. And okay, children, now you can tell me how can we ensure that more people get clean water? How can we ensure that? Yes, the more we save water, yes, the more we save water, other people can use. If you save the water means the remaining water will use the other people, right? And we can save the water in our day-to-day use also. Like when we are brushing our teeth and we are washing our hands and we are taking a bath, we have to save the water. Then only all people get the clean water for drinking, not for drinking purpose, for their daily needs also, they can get the water, right? So we can say that water is an important source for every living thing, not for human beings. Water is important for all living things. For animals also, the water is important thing, right? Yes, children, now you can open your content book. Water for all. Clean and safe drinking water is needed by all. But today, a lot of people in our country do not get it. Either they do not get enough water or they do not get clean water. We all need to be very careful while using water. We need to save as much water as possible so that others can get it too. Some easy water saving tips are: fix leaking taps, toilets and showers, turn off the tap when brushing teeth or rubbing soap on your hands. Did you know much more fresh water is stored under the ground than on the earth's surface? See the glossary, children. Fountain, something that sprinkles water. Oasis, a small water body in the deserts. Surface, the outer part of something. Treatment, making water cleaner. Wastewater, dirty water after use. Yes, children, now you can open your volume. See the S4, water for all. Open S4, children, look at the pictures and see the first question. Give three reasons why people find it difficult to get enough water for use. See the question once again. Give 3 reasons why people find it difficult to get enough water for use. And see the second question, you have to complete the table. These are the 3 types of sources. Okay, and you have to write what is the name of that water source. Okay, you have to write the name of the water source. And see the next one, why would it be difficult for some people to use? Why would it be difficult for some people to use? And see the third question, what does water scarcity mean? See the third question again, what does water scarcity mean? Okay, children. Yes, children, here you can see some story of water in content book. Okay, here some girl is, one Preeti is there. She is suffering to get some water because she is living in the desert area. Okay, the sun was very hot in the desert as Preeti ran down the sand dunes toward the home. Every day at 7 a.m. in the morning, everyone in the village came to collect water in the big buckets. Preeti came just in time to fill the water coming through the pipes from a truck. They needed the truck to carry water for them because in the desert there is very little water. As Preeti filled a bucket with water, she thought of her cousin Sumit who lived in a city. She thought Sumit was very lucky because he did not have to wake up early to collect water. He had running water in the taps all day long. Last year, Sumi and Preeti's families went to the Himalayas for a vacation. In the Himalayas, the people collected snow and then melted it to get water. They stored this water and used it carefully since it was hard to collect water all day. Later at night, Preeti heard a story of an island called Bali. The people there used groundwater. They have many rivers, but their water is dirty. Preeti thought of a girl she had read about. Her name was Joya. Joya lives in a small village. Every day she walks 5 kilometers to get water for her family. Because of this, Joya does not go to school. Suddenly, Preeti realized how special water was. Okay, so by the story we can say that the water is a very important in our regular life. Okay, yeah, so we need to save water. Okay, children, thank you.